Referees, Team Lee, please do the refereeing. Team Lee, Sean, Prima, Joey, Benny, Rev, and Fonzie. Team C serving, Cyril. Team C gets the score. One serving, one serving two. Service is Team C, 2 all. Sean still serving. Serving 2. Jazz serving for Team A. Service ace, Team Alpha. 4 serving 2. Team C scores. That's the point. PO serving for Team C, 3 serving 4. That doesn't cross. Point goes to Team A. 5 serving 3. JP serving. That is a point for Team C. Errol Joven. Charlie serving. Comes on the service line. 4 serving 5. Serving 4, Renz serving. Joven serving. Cyril gets the point. 6 serving 7. Team C. Charlie serving. That goes out. Team Alpha gets the score. 8 serving 6. 10 serving. Jared gets the point. Team shot. Alpha gets the score. 9 serving 6. 10 on the service line. At the cross, teammate with the score. 10, service 6. 10 serving. Charlie gets the point. 7 serving 10. Jack serving. Service out. Alpha scores. 11 serving 7. Jason on the service line. Block point. Team A, 12, serving 7. Jason on the service line. Team C gets the point. A, serving 12. Cyril serving. That goes across. Team A gets the point. 13 serving 8. Jared serving. That goes out. Charlie gets the point. 9, serving 13. Sean serving. JP gets the point. 14 for Team A, serving 9. Jasper serving. That goes out. Point goes to Team C. 10, serving 14. That's inside. Ace for Leo. 11, serving 14. Then gets the point. 15, serving 11. JB serving. That's a service ace from JB. 16, serving 11. That goes out. Charlie gets the point. 12, serving 16. Honk serving. Last 2 minutes. Barangay, hindi ako serving. That does it cross. 17, serving 12. Brand serving. That's your count. Charlie gets the point. 13, serving 17 with Joven on the service line. serving. That gets across, starting this point. 14 serving 19. Jack serving. Serving 14. Serving for the game, Jason. 14 Alpha. Wow, that was a killer spike from Jordan. 15 for Team Charlie. Sean serving. For Team Charlie. Nakakahawa pa kaya? Sean serving. 6 for Team Charlie. 17. Serving 20. Tatlo na lang. Sean, the shortest time. Serving 20, dalawa na lang. Serving 20, setting up. Sean, still serving. Team Alpha wins. Pioneer. Next game, Bravo versus Echo. Referee, Team Delta. Doing the refereeing, Mark, Joey Pan, Jackie, Vincent, Peter, please do the